कि आज कपड़े बिक रहे हैं शोरूम में, किताबें बिक रही है रोड पे. So what do you think about this scenario of the books?
I think it is a very bitter truth that every dream of every person cannot be fulfilled.
Well, it will be going to suit my personality because if I talk about my expenses, I can at current present of time I can bear this thing only.
You can bear only this.
If I am not enjoying these days of my life, then how will I enjoy those days?
If someone is living in the Lakshmi Nagar, so they are going Mukherjee Nagar, CP. So I've seen that they are coming and they are doing hard work. So that is the motivation for me that I have to do hard work.
That's the motivation. So what do you think about, what is the funniest thing here in Lakshmi Nagar?
Funniest thing I can say that this activity is also
This activity is the funniest thing.
Generally prefer gaming.
Yes, you can compensate it. Basically, you can compensate the processor should be in a little bit lower one, and you can go for those mobile phones which have a large storage queue. And
Activity, right? So we are doing here in Lakshmi Nagar Happiness Institute, right? So I just want to know, first of all, if you see around you. So first of all, it's a very random activity, right?
Yes.
And it is just observe and talk. We have to observe the scenario and the surroundings, right? And my first question is, when you see around, and what is the observation regarding this Lakshmi Nagar?
Sir, Lakshmi Nagar is basically known for students. So
You may come to this book zone.
here, sir, students from whole country and prepare for the examinations. Sir, when I see this crowd of the students, I see, sir, aspirations. I don't see, sir, them as a particular person. I see a particular person as an aspiration in his eyes. I see the dedication. I see the promise, what they have made while leaving their home from their parents. And when I see, sir, these hoardings, these banners of coaching issue,
Don't you think that they have occupied them CDs, spaces, somewhere they are very, they look so tidy.
for students who are living here, these hoardings are the hope. These toppers, number pictures of stopper here are their dream. They want to be the part of this hoarding. This hoarding is not just an advertisement. So this is their dream. They just want to be their part of the hoarding. This motivates them.
Also, there is one thing that is कि आज कपड़े बिक रहे हैं शोरूम में, किताबें बिक रही है रोड पे. So what do you think about this scenario of the books, that as we can see that the books are at footpath being sold here? What do you think about the books?
I said take it very positively.
Okay.
It is very accessible for everybody who is walking on the street can access to a bookstore on the footpath itself. And it also reflects that the mindset of students also, that they are willing to buy from these places, and this is a very positive thing.
So you believe or you think that this is a very positive thing?
All right, the country don't need any showroom with no fancy lights to sell their book. Their books got sold even on a footpath. So what can be the better thing than this?
So if you have to choose one book out of them, so which book would you like to choose? If you have any picking book, that if you see around you, so many books are there. So which one would you like to pick?
Sir, I just wanted to read Atomic Habits.
Atomic Habits,
Sir.
this habit you are just, you are picking this book, right? Atomic Habits.
Yes, sir.
And why is it so?
Sir,
Why is it your choice?
Sir, because I have heard about this book from very many days. Many my friends have suggested me that you should read this book. This book have great potential. It will spark your emotions, and it will definitely help in my.
So it will help in just transformation or developing and building the habits of yours, right? And that's a very good thing, right? So what latest habit you have developed in you?
So latest habits which I have recently developed. Earlier I don't had any routine particular. I didn't have. I didn't had any routine. But now, sir, I prefer follow a particular routine time when I wake up and a particular time when I sleep. My whole day is pre-decided, and I try to enforce that.
You particularly, you follow the things, right? And now you are developing it and you have just, changed yourself. Right. It has helped me a lot. Okay. It has helped you a lot.
Yes, sir.
Don't you think like building a habit, like there is a saying that it takes 21 days only to just build a habit. But the problem is that the time you take to build a habit and it also, it gets vanished.
So, sir, it's all about, sir, discipline. There are multiple factors every day which will try to break your that daily thought or daily routine. But it is you who would have to be more consistent daily. It is all up to you, and it is that consistency only that will decide your next 5 year or your future.
So I just want to know, like, see, like talking about the building the habit, right? People are so much easy, right? Say, okay, the habit is there. I'll just, pick it and I'll develop this habit. I'll develop that habit. But somewhere it becomes tough to develop. What are your suggestions to develop an effective or a great habit?
Never, sir. No, and no. It is a myth. If somebody says that from tomorrow I am going to develop this habit, it takes years of practice. It takes years of dedication, years of discipline to inculcate and imbibe it in yourself, and then it will take more years, another year, to get that result from that good habit.
Okay. One other point is that as you just, observe this exact, scenario or exact location, Lakshmi Nagar, right? So you talked about wherever I see the boards of these coaching classes and all, and I see students especially, right? So I can see the dreamers that who come with the dreams. But I just want to know that if you see the dreamers, that is students coming with the dreams, exactly if you have to just observe around you and if you have to present in 1 minute or 1.5 minutes after observation. So what will be your exact observation? Apart from your previous observation, what will be your another observation or other observations? You can see around you and you can observe the things and you can just, let us know.
I see the observation here that the whole economy of Lakshmi Nagar is revolving around students, from a tea seller to a bookseller, from a coaching institute, house owners. Everybody here is earning from students, and it has become a very type of vicious cycle that everybody is. It is not only the dream of a student which is coming true. It is the dream of many person here is getting fulfilled. Sir, but I also want to ask you the same question, sir. What do you observe after 10 years, giving 10 years to this Lakshmi Nagar, giving 10 years to these students? What do you feel and observe?
I can see and I can say that this Lakshmi Nagar is full of potential, right? And I can see so many aspiring students, as you mentioned previously, right? So especially, I love the way that students come here to this particular place having dreams to be IAS, to be CA, to develop their personality, as we have Happiness Institute here. So I can say that this is a place of dreamers. This is a place of strugglers as well.
Sir, please, so my second question is that every dreams cannot be fulfilled. I think it is a very bitter truth for that. Every dream of every person cannot be fulfilled. Dreams shatters, people get demotivated, disheartened. It at this same place. Sir, what is your experience with those students who are not able to fulfill their dreams? They have to compromise with their dreams. How do you see this situation, and what do you want to suggest them who are not, who are somehow they are just missing?
A very simple point I would like to talk about. That the very simple point is there that first of all, lack of consistency is there. That they are not completely focused. They are very temporary mind, right? For example, I want to reach that thela wala, right? So I just put my first step and I am back. And I put my another step and then I stop myself. I put another step, then I stop myself. What is the exact problem? So what am I doing? Like, I'm not consistent. If I need to reach there, I need to, push myself much and more. And I need to keep on walking until and unless I reach. Another problem is there that they have over responsibilities. Somewhere they are economically weaker. They belong to economically weaker section. That's why they cannot fulfill their dreams. You want to be an IAS officer. What if you belong to a poor family, right? So how will you just tackle the situation? How will you be preparing for that? That's the exact problem.
But what happens for those students whose dreams are not fulfilled and get shattered? Sir, what happens with them? Where do they vanish? What are the advice? What advice you want to give them?
I think somewhere they must be consistent, they must be focused, they must be dreamers. And if they have some dreams, there is a line, I remember. If you love something, do that. And if you do something, love that. But the problem is that if their dreams are shattered, so what they have to do? They have to labor. They have to pull rickshaw, they have to operate shops, they have to operate panpatti. So their dreams are like gone. And now they have other opportunities to work for welfare, not welfare of the family or for earning money as a duty.
With a new beginning, a new life can be started even after one failure, two failure. Is it possible?
Of course. Why not? It is possible. Have the example of KFC founder. Have the example of KFC founder. What he did, he just started very late. Bomani Rani started very late. Right. So multiple people are there who started very late. The benefits of observation.
It is a very old saying.
Little louder.
It is a very old saying that you become what you observe. So the observation, strong effect in our subconscious mind. The surrounding plays very important. So I personally feel that we should be surrounded with positive person.
Sorry, yes, recording. Oh,
My pressure of that merits what I am going to speak, whether he must. That's one-to-one about me and you, that judge. Not about what the person standing behind me is going to perceive, what I'm going to see.
For the no fear, no problem, no hesitation. You're completely relaxed with it. That's the best thing I was saying. That's the best thing that I hear. It's especially awesome, I could say. Now we have another student, Abhishek Bhardwaj here. So Abhishek, first of all, as I gave you a task that you have to observe the entire Lakshmi Nagar, right? So you just, did one thing, you observe. First of all, what's your observation?
so first of all, thanks for giving me the blissful opportunity. If I talk about my observations, first of all, I would like to mention it is a kind of multipolar hub. People are chasing whether it's their dream, it's their goal, it's their career, whether it's the taste of their words,
Okay.
taste of their words.
So it is a place of chase.
I will not say it's a chase of place. It's like it's a chasing and following is going hand in hand.
Is it a kind of rat race place?
No, it's not a kind of rat race.
So what is the unique observation that you can do here? What is one of the unique observations in Lakshmi Nagar?
If I the unique observation which I have noticed there, this place is full of dreams, aspirations, if I say, and look at the infrastructure. Infrastructure about the same place is telling us a lot about it. It's like no matter if you have a limited pace, if you have something to achieve, then you have the ability to build your path. Suppose there is a lot of traffic on this road, and if you want to cross this road as a pedestrian, and on the other side there is no space, you have a facility of subway. And
So Matlab, you are saying that, this subway is the part that which, lightens Lakshmi Nagar, or these markets are there and all the things are there. And you were talking about the congestion or somewhere it's quite congested. So you like the congestion of Lakshmi Nagar?
I'm not talking about the congestion. It is also a human-made place, and we all are human. It is like if you want to achieve something, and you have a broader perspective, you can accumulate strength in yourself.
What broader perspective or what broader perspective you see in Lakshmi Nagar? If we are as a normal person, as a common person coming out, or we have come to Lakshmi Nagar as a struggling person, right? So
If I tell you something about me, when I came here, and when I came here as first when I stepped in this area, I was a bit confused. Why? I was not able to understand at that time, though I want this thing and this thing is available in this place, but how to approach it? All right. So these boarding bond gave me a kind of, you can say, concretize my path, and I got you in my life. And earlier in my past days of life, I was a learner, but now I'm standing with you and I'm making a healthy discussion with you upon the same topic.
That's really exciting for me too, right? It's quite productive discussion that we are doing. And I would like to also know from you, like we see this place having so many, so many hawkers, actors, right? And vendors, landlord. What do you think about these people? They are working and they are working quite hard to just earn their livelihood on daily basis.
Well, sir, rightly, just like you mentioned, they are here to earn their livelihood. But on the other hand, look at the other perspective. All the persons who are staying there without any help, or those who are living in PG, in their personal accommodation, they are also getting a kind of homely environment, you can say.
Okay, now in case, for example, and this is the normal shop, right? And kind of it's being sold at roadside or footpath. So do you prefer it somewhere, or you feel like no, this is not gonna suit my personality?
Well, it will be going to suit my personality, because if I talk about my expenses, I can, at current present of time, I can bear this thing only.
You can bear only this, not any showroom brand or not something like that.
That days will too come under your enlightened guidance.
That is fantastic. Do you expect that those days will be coming very soon?
Yes, those days will come very soon. And one thing which I would like to add here is, if I am not enjoying these days of my life, then how will I enjoy those days?
I think if I just talk about the observation like of this Lakshmi Nagar, right? So what funniest thing can you observe here? What is the most funny thing that you can observe?
It's like all are enjoying in their personal capacity, and no matter, everyone is not afraid of judgmental, you can say.
Okay.
Everyone is enjoying the spice of their lifestyle, you can say.
So somewhere you're not being affected by them.
No, I'm not being it. Instead of it, I am feeling a kind of comfort here.
Comfort here.
Yeah.
More than a conference hall. You have to observe all the things and you have to talk about whatever comes into your mind. You have to talk for 1.5 minutes in louder tone as you are presenting something, right? In louder tone.
So hello everyone.
Louder tone so that we can hear you as well.
So all right, hello everyone. My name is Abhishek, and today I stands in front of you to cover this area of Lakshmi Nagar. If I talk about this area, as the word is in itself is a kind of divine, you can say. The word is containing the word Lakshmi. In Hindu mythology, the name is devoted to goddess Lakshmi. Is a goddess of wealth, knowledge, and everything. And you can say how people are chasing this thing in there itself. And if I talk about crowd area which is being gathered here, it's a kind of comfort which I'm enjoying, because I'm getting a lot of exposure. People are stalking at me, and I'm not afraid of this thing. It's like facing the public, and no matter any kind of shout or this and that is coming, I'm fully focused.
Okay, that's interesting. So somewhere you have talked about that you have no fear right now, right? So you're trying to overcome your fear of public speaking, or you're not afraid. So what's your message for those people who are so much scared speaking in public or speaking in front of people or speaking on the stage? What do you think about those people?
Well, first of all, if it's a very good thing if someone has came to know about his or her fear, because majority of the population are not aware what kind of fear or what kind of weakness they possess in their personality or in their character. First thing is it, and then if you want to overcome it, start shining in yourself. No matter what you are doing, whether you are getting results or not, just start expressing, and one day or day one will come, you will overcome all your.
Are you sure
Yes, sir.
that one day they will come out? Till then, we can also lose our expectations or our hopes. We can also lose. Oh yeah, I'm trying for this, but I'm not able to overcome my fear. This is quite hard for me. I can't do that.
Well, first of all, if you want to learn anything, remove the clause of but. In the phase of learning, there will be no if, no but. And if you have said this, though I am not confident, but I am improving. So it is like anything said before, but is useless. Just focus on your improvement and your enlightenment.
So focus on the improvement. Don't focus on if anything, right? If and but. So how to focus? For example, this is quite congested place, right? And we are speaking. Somewhere there are horns, somewhere there is a pushing, people are going, pushing, right? Shouting, ande le lo, kapde le lo, and something like that. So don't you think like it's disturbing element?
Yes, it's a kind of disturbing element, but all I can say is I am trying to focus. Focus is a name of muscle in your mind and brain, and I'm trying to build it. So that's all I can say. As you all can notice, people are just bumping in my shoulder, and I'm experiencing a kind of disturbance, you can say, but I'm not focusing upon it. You have something? आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे? Look, like we talked to one stranger, though she is not aware, but the best thing which I learned from here is no matter what the situation is, just keep on smiling.
How to keep smiling actually in every phase of life, whether it's quite disturbing, hard. How do you smile? Come on.
Just stop overthinking and start accepting the things, no matter.
Now you just pick one and start talking with one and one.
Perfect. So today I have my classmate Mr. Rishabh with me. He will share his experience about the same place. Mr. Rishabh, how are you feeling? You are standing in between the crowd. Yeah. So what are the learnings which you are able to focus upon, and how this place is kind of feeling to you? On one side we have our coaching institute on the 4th floor, and on the another side we are watching the another face of Lakshmi Nagar. It is full of, you can say, haphazard, though full of learnings also. So kindly convey your learnings and consider your, suppose you are a vlogger, you are here to explore the market of Lakshmi Nagar. So as a vlogger upon what things you will focus upon? Would you like to buy one shirt? One for you and one for me? Yeah, sure. We can explore this shirts and go ahead to buy it. How will you explore it? Just convey us the same. Like we can see different, there is a tea store also very good too. Tea store also available. It's like just you mentioned, there is one shop of shirt also and there is one tea store also. So what you want to explain? First of all, you want to add a stain of a tea on this shirt, and then you want to explore the cloth of this shirt.
There, Lakshmi Nagar is known for our street foods, so we can try some of the street foods and help some street food over here. And Lakshmi Nagar is known for many self-developing courses are available in the Lakshmi Nagar. We can explore and go through. You have bought the shirt.
It's like he is just like I said, first of all, he will add a stain on it and then he will explore the. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling stupendous. Thank you so much for asking.
And what about your learnings? It's like we are in the main market of Lakshmi Nagar. We are here on road. This is full of crowd, full of haphazard. Yeah, full of everything, you can say. It's like people are getting bumped in each other. Then also I can notice you have a smile on your face.
Yeah, I have a smile on my face. It's my second time when I participated in this activity. I have participated because earlier I have done this kind of activity. So now I was so excited when sir told me that I will take you outside and you will have to observe and you will have to express each and everything. Because now I'm able to speak English, that's why I don't have any hesitation and all. So now I'm so excited for that.
Well, I just noticed while you were telling about your experience about how are you feeling, I noticed one person just crossed you and he kind of bumped in your shoulder. Then also you did not notice that thing and you were fully focused within yourself no matter what the situation is. So did you notice it? And if you notice it, how can we implement the same thing, and what are your learnings which you would like to give to our respected viewers?
Actually, I want to tell you that when we go outside, we see that if we do this, if we do like this kind of things, what people will think, what people will say. So first I want to tell them, if you think about people,
Yeah. So
it is a kind, I can see that it is a kind of a cosmetic product. Even I don't have so much idea about it because girls use these kind of things too much. We are wise, so we are not aware of these things.
if I talk about the perfumes.
Yeah, actually, I'm just looking for my favorite perfume and I'm not able to find this kind of perfume because it is yeah, you can see that Dio and but these are so many expensive perfume and they are there. If you wanna buy it, you can buy very nice, right? And it is very wow. It's a you can see that it's a very fantastic thing for us because we are a and we cannot pay so much money. So it is a good for thing, sir, because we are a student. If you don't have so much money, we can also buy it.
Well, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for asking me.
Tikkiwala, as we can search about this name is Bobby Tikkiwala. We can get some food. As I can say, this food is hygienic as compared to that Theli's वाला. दो बेहतर रहता है यहाँ पर आपको कैसे किस टाइप के पीपल लाइक यंग पीपल मिलते हैं या स्टूडेंट्स मिलते हैं या कुछ एजेड ओनली स्टूडेंट तो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आपका बिजनेस आपका ये शॉप
वो वाली तो ऐसे तो कस्टमर है नहीं यहाँ पे, लेकिन बस यहाँ पे देखने वाले ज्यादा हैं, लेने वाले कम हैं, खाली घूमने वाले हैं।
तो ऐसा नहीं लगता कि आपको कि आप जो भी देखने वाला है उनको आप कन्विंस कर सकते हैं प्रोडक्ट लेने में
करता हूँ जब भी तो मैं बहुत बड़ा ग्रुप है मेरा, कन्विंस करने के
तो ये आप अच्छा स्टेप उठा रहे हैं बट जो भी कोई लेने कस्टमर एज अ कस्टमर आता है लेने के लिए देखने के लिए उसको
जो देखने आता है ना, मैं उसे दे के बेचता हूँ।
ये आप क्या समझते हैं आपकी स्किल है
स्किल है। ये सामने दुकान है ना,
बॉबी टिक्की वाला
ये पहले मेरी दी जूते चप्पलों की दुकान हुआ करती थी।
ये आपकी पूरी दुकान अपनी थी
नहीं, पहले शूज की दुकान थी मेरी, रेंट पे ले रखी थी मैं।
अच्छा
अब यहाँ पे आया हूँ मैं, पहले काम अच्छा था मेरा।
तो शॉप छोड़कर आपका यहाँ आने तक का जर्नी रीजन क्या
रीजन कुछ नहीं है, बिकॉज क्योंकि ये ना खाली अब इसने दुकान ये खुद ने ले लिया बॉबी टिक्की वाले ने, तो अब पहले मेरी थी तो जिससे रेंट पे दे रखा था उसने सेल आउट कर दी।
तो आपको ऐसा लगता है कि आप इस बिजनेस से जैसे आप जो टेबल पे ये सेल कर रहे हैं जैसे आप कोई हैप्पी है पर आपको और कोई बड़े लेवल का एक शॉप लेके करना चाहिए
नहीं उस लेवल ना, बड़े लेवल पर काम करने का फायदा नहीं है, क्योंकि ना दुकान का रेंट बहुत है।
बट आप रेंट निकाल सकते हो जस्ट अगर आपके पास वैरायटी हो और आपके पास अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स हो।
वैरायटी हो उसके लिए मनी भी तो चाहिए।
अच्छा मैंने सुना आपको मिमिक्री आती है, किसकी मिमिक्री आप कर सकते हो?
थोड़ी लड़की के बाद
आप फोन रख दीजिए प्लीज, बड़ा मजा आना चाहिए थोड़ा सा बातचीत में। देखिए हम लोग यहाँ से हम लोग नाम पढ़िए, थोड़ा जोर से बोलिए। क्या नाम बोलिए?
Happiness.
हाँ अच्छा आपको मिमिक्री आती है तो किस टाइप की मिमिक्री आपको आती है, क्या टैलेंट आप में?
वॉइस है, लड़की वाली वॉइस।
लड़की वाली वॉइस है। चाहूंगा कि कुछ आप बोल के दिखाएं हमारे।
बोलो, आप बताओ जो आप बोलो।
आप ये बोल के दिखाइए कि मेरे प्रोडक्ट इतने रुपए के हैं और इतना ये आप लेंगे तो ये ऑफर है, कुछ अपने प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में बताइए।
Somewhere you have observed that this place or this location, right, is the place of MBA, CAT, English speaking and all, right? So when you come to this place, does it really inspire you, motivate you, or it's like every place?
No, like I have seen that there are also people are coming and like when I was coming to this area, so I've seen that there are also people are like coming from their offices, so they are doing hard work. If someone is living in the Lakshmi Nagar, so they are going Mukherjee Nagar, CP. So I've seen that yeah, they are coming and they are doing hard work. So yeah, that is the motivation for me that I have to do hard work.
That's a motivation. So what do you think about, like, what is the funniest thing here in Lakshmi Nagar?
Funniest thing I can say that like this activity is also like,
This activity is the funniest thing. We are doing all these on roads
and that person was speaking in the
girls' side.
voice. Yeah.
All right, that was the funniest thing, right? So it means that we could call it that we are doing chakka jam here, road jam.
Not at all. Like I don't think so.
You don't think so? Rishabh, what's your observation out of this place?
So like we can see here, this is a hub of all the students. Students are coming for coaching from all over India. Students are coming for the UPSC preparation, for CA examination, and this is also a hub of as many.
So do you feel happy when you come here?
Yeah, I just see like
Regarding this location, I observe it is one of the important place for business, and I observe the reason for the good point for business is that there is a lots of good transportations also. Transportations also like metro and public buses are going on. So it has to become a more important place for business in this place.
Okay. So somewhere, why do you call it the place of business? So it's a business place. So you think that this place is the best place for business, right? So as we have entered this showroom, right? So what's your observation regarding this?
This showroom is basically doing all mobile phone which is electronic devices, and I have seen a lot of the mobile phone which is of different brands and all other things. So
So what if you're just, if you have an opportunity to explain as a shopkeeper all these phones, and so what will be your observation? Come on.
electronic mobile phone of Oppo company. So I have a lot of different. I have a mobile phone of from different range. So I can explain you, I can tell you the.
Mr. Shubha, why should we choose this person to buy the phone exactly, right? He's trying to impress me.
What that part of
He's trying to impress me to buy the phone. Why should I choose this exact showroom or this shop to buy from him exactly?
He's offering a great deal here.
No, you can ask some cross questions. I think he's not doing that.
Mr. Canary, yeah. Which model phone do you generally suggest to a youngster? It's in the habit of using the phone for
Louder, little louder.
or who is in habit of using phone for 6 to 8 hours.
my aim is to sell the phone as much as possible. But what I would like to suggest as a customer is I would like to know the budget that you can spend on a phone.
20,000.
50 to 20,000. I have lots of range of phone that you can get within the 15 to 14,000.
I'm a working professional. You want to do this? Don't play lots of game. I have just my official work.
Let's say then
You get a good storage.
yeah, you can focus on you can focus.
But I don't generally prefer gaming.
Yes, you can compensate. It's basically you can compensate. The processor should be in a little bit lower one, and you can go for those mobile phones which have a large storage queue. And most of as you know that most of the mobile phone
Of this showroom to buy this phone,
Yes, sir. Of course.
right? And we can have good discounts as well.
yes,
Right.
credit card and SGFC, ICIC.
All right. So the credit card option is there and the discount is there. Okay, that's fine. So does anyone have any plan to buy any phone? No. So all the people have just done this activity, right? So Kennedy, what's your experience regarding this activity as you were a shopkeeper there?
I have a good exposure according to this. From this activity, I have a good exposure, and I have a chance to test my level of confidence in this from this activity.
What's your experience regarding this activity?
Yeah, it was a great experience. According, like as I told you in the classroom, also that I have some kind of fear, like stage fears. After doing the activities towards some kind of confidence that I can easily speak in front of people, or I can easily give the demo, or I can easily give the answer in front of people.